Me I walk from here to the shop. Not even 2 minutes go by. Police stopped me 3 times.
While Jamaicans were busy building Britain, the government was busy watching them every step and every corner.
One even asked me if me have permission to live here, so after 40 years. And I said to the man, say, how are you? You know, say, me have my citizenship. Me never throw a stone, but me feel the fire. Me remember Brixton. Me remember injustice.
The Brixton riots was an explosion of rebellion against oppression, deprivation and brutality at the hands of the police.
Where were you during the Brixton riots?
Jamaica teach me how to live. London teach me how to survive. If you have dread, you're a criminal. If you wear clocks, you is a bad man. The Babylon fear what them know understand. That is the thing about them.
After the 1981 Brixton riots, which caused 300 injuries and 7.5 million worth of damage in the form of burnt vehicles and buildings, the voice of Black Britain could no longer be ignored.